Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how to sell Hot Wheels on Amazon. This is a little bit more difficult than selling them on eBay. So with Amazon, you're going to have to look up each one individually. Then you want to list ones that have a fast selling rank on them. So for me, I'm willing to sit on them a little bit. So I'm going to list anything up to like 800,000, maybe up to 1 million sometimes. And I know it's going to sell probably within the year. It also depends how much it's worth. So I'm not going to list like a $5 Hot Wheel if it has 1 million rank, and there's a bunch of other sellers on it. So I'm not going to do that because it might take a year to sell, and the long-term storage fees and the regular storage fees are going to eat into the profit. So this assumes that you're doing Amazon FBA, where you send everything to a warehouse to sell it. So with Amazon, you're pretty much going to have to look up each one individually. And I've sold a few for like 20-30 bucks on Amazon. I've actually sold one for 65 on Amazon. So you're going to get more money by selling them on Amazon, but it might take a little bit longer to sell. You're going to have to research all of them, and then you can't actually sell bulk lots on Amazon. You have to find the listings to do it, and then you're going to have to like shrink wrap them or polybag them all together, which takes up time. But I think that's what I'm going to do. You're going to get a little bit more. You might get 70 cents a piece if you do like the bulk lots that way. But on eBay, you might only get like 50 cents, plus you have to pay for shipping. So that's really how I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be looking everything up individually on Amazon, and then listing them in the bulk lots on Amazon as well, and sending everything into the warehouse to be fulfilled by Amazon. So that's it. That's how you're going to get the most money out of them, and I'll see everybody next time.